Are you looking for your own little paradise on the Costa Blanca? Then we have the perfect property for you. Divided over 3 floors with 2 independent accommodations, this can be a great opportunity as a rental investment. We also have a gym. And a wine cellar. And views from every corner of the house. This property offers plenty of space to live your best life on the Costa Blanca. Do you also want to join me for a beer in the pool? If you would like to book a viewing, contact us at La Boutique Luxury Real Estate and we will be happy to show you around.